Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to create this world view dashboard. So let me take you through the dashboard, what actually it shows us. Okay, so here you guys can see, here we have a controllers where I have a two option column chart and a line chart. If I want to see this, data set in the line chart, so I can just click on this, the option button line chart. You will be able to see this actually converted into the line chart. Okay, so if I will click on the column chart, so you will be able to see the column chart, right? And if you want to send this over the email, you just need to write to and CC to whom you want to share and subject, and just need to click on the send email. As soon as you will click on this, so you will be able to see all the snapshot came, but we have not given any details about the two CC and subject, so it is completely blank so far. Okay, if I want to, as of now you guys can see, okay, we have a details only of you know six country. Okay, if I want to increase, if I want to, here you guys can see the scrollers which I have created here. If I will keep on increasing, so the data set charts and everything is getting changed accordingly, right? So this is what actually we are going to create, and let me show you the data as well. So data we have here, so you will be able to see this is the data set we do have. Okay, now let's start to work on it, how we can convert this raw data into this beautiful chart and the summary. Okay, so let's start. I'm just copying the data only. Okay, I'm copying the data and pasting somewhere in the blank Excel workbook, and I'm closing it. Let me save it somewhere first. Okay, as of now, let me save it somewhere. I'm just saving it on my desktop by the name of world view dashboard. Okay, simple. Okay, so here we have a coding as well, so we need to save it in the XLSB format. So now let's click on the save. Okay, save and close it. Now this is the raw data we have. First we need to give the serial number. I will tell you why we are giving the serial number 1 plus 1 and drag it. Simple. Okay, let me show you the tab as well. So we have a tab now. Okay, this is the sheet 1. Let's rename it as a data, and in next tab, let's rename it as sheet 2. Not any worry. Okay, no worries. So go in the view, remove the grid line first. Okay, let's create the summary first. Okay, here i want to I want the details of these six fields. I'm pasting it here, little down. Simple. Okay, and what next? After that, we want the country. I want here in a horizontal mode. So what I can do is I just need to create a one scroller. So go in the developer, go in insert. Here you will get a scroller right here. This is what. Okay, and drag it. Okay, drag it like this. No worries, drag it like this. Okay, so what next you need to do is you just need to decrease it. Here we have a country and the field, I mean the data for what field we want. So those field actually we have pasted here. Now I want the country should be the dynamic. Let's right click on this scroller, go in the format control, go in the current value should be as a 1, and minimum should be 1, maximum you guys can write as a 400, increment value I want 1, page change should be 1, and which cell you want to link, I want to link B1 for example, and pressing enter. So this is 1. Okay, I mean the one is coming. Okay, 2 3 4 5 6 7. As soon the more we will keep on increasing the incremental value, those, I mean the B1 will keep on getting changed. Okay, so right now this is as a 1. Now what I want is why we have given the serial number we have given to look up this index number. This is the index number you guys can see. Okay, this is no, we need to change the reference value first. Okay, right click, format control should be B1. Okay, okay, and we need to remove it. Now what I want here, you need to write index. In the index you just select this. Okay, select it, and row number I want it as a 1. So Afghanistan is coming, you see Afghanistan is coming on second number. Okay, row number second. So go again in the summary. Here I want, now here this Afghanistan will keep on getting changed, you see. But what is the problem? I want the six countries in one go, in one view. I want the six country. Okay, so here this should keep on increasing. How it can be done? So come here, right here index, select this. Okay, and row number you need to write here column. -2. Why I'm showing -2 column? -2, if you will do, so it will show you the row number 2. Okay, and you just need to, it should be 3. Okay, here after that index, go back to the row data, go up, select it, and now come here and select this b1 plus this, enter. Okay, what it actually has done, this increment value we have added, with the dynamic, with the dynamic, the column value. Okay, the column we are using here to keep on getting the incremental value if we are dragging it in the on the right side. Okay, so this is why, and we have done the -3 just because of to getting the 1. Okay, so come here, drag it, you see Australia, let's remove it, no worries. Let's adjust the, auto fit it, let's 10. Okay, okay, you guys can also increase this, scroller as well, and after that you can decorate it as you want to do. Alt HBA, I did the bordering here, and after that I want the color, I want the blue color here, so blue color I'm giving here. For example, I'm giving this blue color. Okay, so what I want now, I want to use the VLOOKUP to in order to get all the values against this, structure. Okay, so what I can do is come here, equal to VLOOKUP. Okay, this is the country will be your lookup value, country will be your lookup value. Okay, and after that what we need to do is just, freeze it 2 times, 1 2, come here, select the data as we use the VLOOKUP match, simple match. This is the, the field which we need to match in the header. Okay, come here and drag it, 0 comma 0, enter. You see we have got the value, control D, control R. Okay, make it in the center and convert it into the percentage by pressing control shift at the rate. Okay, so I hope this is what actually, I mean, so far everything is clear. Now what I want to draw the chart, so just you need to select it, go in the insert, just select any chart. For example, I'm selecting this one. Okay, come here, go little up, go little up, come here, we need to increase, let's, insert some rows. Okay, now increase the height, decrease the height of the chart, let's take it a little up. Okay, header you guys can do, you can give as per your requirement. Okay, I'm writing it world view dashboard, world view summary, not a dashboard, summary. Okay, what next, just select it, go in the chart design. Here you will get one, beautiful chart, this one. This is what actually, you will see, you will get to see. This is something, which will give you the clear view about the countries that you are showing, in the summary, and the summary wherein you created this beautiful chart. Okay, so you just need to keep on increasing it, you see, but you see the value is not getting changed. You see, are you able to see the reference of b1 is getting changed? We need to make it, we need to freeze it. Let's freeze it. Okay, and drag it now. Okay, now you just, just click on this scroller bar, you will be able to see the changes in the chart and in the summary. Okay, in the both places. Okay, so this is what, okay, we have created so far. What next, we need to create two charts. Come, copy and paste it, sorry, copy it and click somewhere and paste it. Okay, now let's convert this chart into the line chart. Come here, sorry, right click, go in the change chart type. Here you will have a line, you, this is the line one. Come here, this is what you guys can check, and it is showing you better. Okay, you can change it into the black, I mean black color is more beautiful, I think. No, if you want to change it, I mean whatever chart design you guys can choose. Okay, so let me check. I see this is good one. Okay, come and see, you need to remember the chart name. This is the chart 2, you are able to see here. Okay, chart 2, and this is chart 1. In the chart 2, here we need to, okay, and I'm disabling here, what I can do is I can increase the legend like this. Okay, and come here, and the chart you guys can decorate, as per your requirement. I'm not doing so much thing into the chart, but I'm just showing you the technique. Okay, how you guys can create, such a chart and such a dashboard on the big data. Okay, so now just select it somewhere and come here and create one controller here. Okay, controller. Okay, controller. Here you need to give any color. For example, I'm giving this color. Okay, and not this one, but little lighter. Okay, lighter would be this one. So here I'm writing here, I don't want to merge it. I am giving here selection. Okay, selection, selection, this is the selection. It is to CC and subject as we did. Okay, come here. Okay, so here you can do the merge. You can merge the cell and do the bordering if you want to do, as I'm doing in my case, border, so that it should look better as well, right? Okay, so here two option button also you need to create. Go in the developer, here go in insert, take this option button and draw it here. Okay, this should be column chart, rename it as a column chart. Okay, and next you just need to copy it, paste it and make it as a line chart. Okay, what next we need to do is we need to create one more insert, I mean the shape. Okay, in the shape come here and drag it like this, and for the header only. Okay, just you need to copy, insert more value, I mean the rows. Okay, drag it little up and you can rename it. You can rename it, and if you want to give the color as per you, I'm giving this color and giving it world view dashboard. Okay, world view dashboard, and increasing the size of it. Okay, and giving it as a black, I mean the font color. If I with the full screen, so it looks better. Okay, but still you guys can change the background color. Okay, if you want to do so, the technique of creating such a chart. Okay, the how you guys can use the scroller. Okay, this is the way that you can use it in an effective way. Okay, so now just need to to write some codes here. Alt F11, press Alt F11. Okay, which is the sheet wherein we are working. Book, this is the book 3. Okay, insert one module by pressing Alt IM. Right, I want to write my code in the option explicit mode. Sub procedure question number 1, for example. Here I don't want to, I just need to write the two codes for the column chart and the line chart. Here you need to write here, you can write here sheet 2 chart objects, which is the chart 1. Chart 1 is your column chart. I want to visible it. I want to visible or not. This should be false. I don't want to visible. Copy and paste. Change the chart type only. Chart name is 2 and this should be true. What I'm doing, I am just I am just making the chart 1, which is the column chart. I'm making it invisible and making visible which the line chart 1. So I want to just assign this code in which button, line chart or column chart? In the line chart. Okay, come here, assign macro, just do it. Now if I will click it, you will be able to see line chart. No, it's not happening. Okay, line chart is already there now, so you will be able to just need to again copy it and paste it and make it true and make it false. Simple. Okay, and assign it in the column chart. Okay, this is the question 1. We have not changed the sub procedure name. This should be question 2. Okay, in the instead of question 1, question 2, whatever you guys can write. Okay, question 2. Now if I will click on the column chart, you see line chart, column chart, line chart and column chart. Okay, this is the 2 line of a code which can help you to make I'm sorry, make any chart visible or invisible. Okay, so here one more button I need to create for to send the email. Go and insert, take any shape. I'm just taking this shape and drawing it here, and you can change the button color. Okay, and I'm writing it as send email. Okay, send email, and press Alt F11. Come here, write one code, sub procedure question number 3, dim sh as a worksheet where you, okay, ot as outlook we need to enable whenever we are integrating outlook. I already told you in my earlier videos, whenever you are integrating your excel with the outlook, you need to enable one external library which will be your Microsoft Outlook 16.0 something. Okay, go in the tool, go in references, and here you will be able to see Microsoft Outlook 16.0 object library. You just need to enable it and click on OK. Make it, now you need to write ot as new outlook application, oml as outlook dot mail item. Okay, set sh this workbook sheet, sorry, this workbook sheets 2. Okay, done. And what next you need to do, you need to write the code here. Your selection should be sh.range xfd1. Why I'm doing it? So that whenever we are inserting chart, so here one more variable you need to declare for the chart as ch as a chart. Okay, and after that add the chart ch.charts, charts, not ch. You need to write a set sh, set sh. Here after that you need to sheet to, sorry, charts dot add. Okay, you need to do like this. Okay, sh dot charts dot add. What you can do is, in the second line what you can do is, right here set sh charts dot add, and after that make it as a active chart. Okay, and rename it. Let's give the parent name as, you know parent name AA. Okay, AA, any name you guys can give. I'm giving AA. And after that I want to, you need to have a selection. I mean, you need to have a selection from where to where, and you want to, from where to where you want to, you know create the snapshot. Okay, you want to create the snapshot from, in my case, from B5 to I26. Okay, I want to get this snapshot. So here you need to write like this sh chart objects akku, which is your, not akku, a dot height should be sh dot range from B5 out of, this is the B5, yes, from B5 to I26. Okay, this is your height. So make it, I mean, make the chart height, okay, as per the selection whatever we are giving, and it should be not a slash, it should be dot. Okay, close the bracket. This would be width. Okay, height and width. Now we have, we have made the chart height and width as per our selection. Now what I want to copy the data from B5 to I26, I want to copy it as a picture. Okay, as a picture. And now I want to paste it where, on my chart, simple. And I want to export it in my, temp file. Okay, and temp file would be pic.jpg. Okay, for example. And after that I want to delete the, I mean, the chart which is on my sheet, which is aaa dot delete. All right, and after that I want to set my oml, which is ot dot create, okay, ol mail item. Okay, and after that what we need to write here, you need to write here like with oml and with, okay, and just 2. Okay, where we have a 2, we have a 2 in L10. This would be sh dot range L10, whatever, whomsoever we want to keep, in the 2, we need to write in the L10. cc would be your L11 dot value, and subject would be your, sh dot range L12 dot value. And I want to write my mail body like this, beer hi all. Okay, and in the second line what I want to do is, I want to write only one line. Please find please find the below snapshot for your reference. Okay, whatever you guys can write. Okay, in my case I'm writing it like this, and after that I want to paste my snapshot. Okay, image src. Okay, and you need to just copy the path, the dynamic path, which is your this one. Okay, just copy it like this, copy it, and come on the last and paste it, and close it, close the tag. This is what, that's it. And I want to display it. Message box should be done. sh.range, again I want my selection on b10 for example, dot select. Okay, now let's assign it here. Go in assign macro, question number 3. Okay, let's do the full screen. Now let's test it. Line chart, it's getting changed. The value is getting changed or not? Yes, it's also getting changed. Column chart. Now let's see. I want the labels as well, no? So just what we can do is just select the label. Okay, label, and increase. I mean, as soon as you're increasing your scroll bar, so the countries value and countries both are getting changed. Okay, you see, right? If I want to convert into the line chart, it's also working. Now I want to send the email, so just click on this email. Debug, I am getting error on the debug. sh.parent name, I'm writing here AAA. Why I'm getting error? So it's saying wrong number of arguments or invalid assignment. Okay, assignment we are getting. So here sh.parent name should be AAA. We are just making some mistake, I think. Charge.8 active chart, parent name, sh.parent name. This should work. Why it's not working? Let's change it up to wrong number of invalid property assignment. sh, which is your active chart. All right, and set we have, oh yeah, we have done one mistake. But actually we needed to do, we need to move it. Location should be this one, sheet 2. Okay, now let's test it and let's make it a. Okay, I'm not changing the name. Okay, let's delete it. I'm deleting this chart. Okay, going back here, clicking on full screen. Now just testing it again. Wow, but it's not in the snapshot, actually doesn't came on the email body. Why? So environment temp pic.jpg, it's all right. Are we making any mistake here? Yes, we are making here mistake. This should not come. Okay, this should not come. Now let's test it again. Yes, now it's coming. Okay, it's coming. Okay, which I have shown you. Okay, which I have shown you. So this is what actually we have created in this video. I will attach this file in the description box. From there you guys can download it. All right, so again, if you want, if I'm just converting into the line chart and clicking on the send email. Okay, whatever you will do, it will work dynamically. Okay, and I will attach this file. From there you guys can download it for your practice. All right, so thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Thanks a lot.